What's in there? Couscous. Is it? Oh.
Hello everybody, this is Myung. Hope you are well. Today I'm going to make 2 different types of tofu with 5 different toppings. Tofu is a super diet food, but it is quite bland, so need some sort of topping so that brings out the flavor. I use 5 different types of toppings, but you can create your own. With this recipe, there's no need to fry tofu. Tofu has good quality protein, but make sure you buy tofu that is made from non-GMO soybeans, like this. Okay, let's start. So I have this silken tofu, and this is foam tofu. This tofu is already cooked one, so you don't need to cook extra, but I like to make it a bit warm. This silken tofu is very difficult to fry, so I recommend you not to fry, but this foam tofu is fine. You can fry it. This is very good for that. I will put in the hot water, so make it warm, and then put the toppings on top. This is cooked beetroot. I cooked with a little bit of water and balsamic vinegar and salt. That's all. And then I just slice them. And this is seaweed. I make a salad with this, and this is alfalfa sprout. So I will mix together and put this on top of tofu. And this is a shiitake mushroom. So I will marinate like a bulgogi style. So bulgogi style mushroom on top of tofu, and this is spring onion. So I will only use green part, finely slice them, and then mix with the salad dressing I'm going to make. Broccoli, I will slice flat like this, like that. I will blanch this broccoli and then mix with the salad dressing and put on top of tofu. And this is onion kimchi I made a couple of months ago. It's still left. So I will fry this with the coconut oil and put on top of tofu. That will be tofu kimchi, which is Will loves it. Tofu kimchi is very good. That's all I'm going to do. So I will marinate this shiitake mushroom first. Some I will use for general dressing, and some I will use for this shiitake mushroom. Liquid aminos here as well. About 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon sesame seed oil, and mix together. But here I will add balsamic vinegar. So 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon sesame seed, dressing is simply done. Now I will tear this. Simply just tear it like this. You can use portobello mushrooms, or you can use any mushrooms you prefer, or whatever you've got. So this is done. So I will mix all together. They soak up all the dressing. Add some pepper. There was quite a lot of dressing, but this mushroom absorbed this old dressing. That's why it has to be marinated before. Okay, now, so this is soaked in the water. You can get this these days any Chinese supermarket or Korean supermarket, of course. You can get them from there. And then soaked in the water. You don't need long, but just 3 to 5 minutes. And then it will become like that. And I will add this tablespoon of this dressing. Now I will add this alfalfa sprout. separate them because they are all stuck together. Add a teaspoonful of this sriracha. It's very good. If you don't have sriracha, you can add some chili, like a fresh chili or just gochugaru if you have gochugaru. Okay, second one is done. Slice this very fine and then mix with dressing. So this is all chopped. So put it in there and add this 1 tablespoon dressing. I will add a little bit more of this liquid amino acid, 1 teaspoon liquid amino acid. Add a little bit of gochugaru. Okay, this is done. Now I will quick blanch this and mix with this dressing. And I will cook this onion kimchi with the coconut oil now. And also cook this marinated mushrooms. So I will cook marinated mushroom first. So this is for broccoli. And I'm going to fry this mushroom. I will reduce the heat. Because this is a fresh turkey mushroom, you don't need to cook that long, but just until all juice is gone. So water is boiling now, so I will add this all. Smells lovely. Yeah, this is all done now, so I will switch off. This is done too. I will drain this water. So I will add into this dressing. So I will put this one in the plate. Now kimchi. Ooh. So when kimchi is a bit too sour, too old, it tastes better when you fry it. Don't ever fry when it's not fully fermented. Half tablespoon coconut milk. And I will add a little bit of pepper. My mouth is watering. Okay, this is done. So now I will boil the kettle and put the tofu. I will drain the water. Okay, I will cook this for a few minutes. I just turn it over. Now I will drain the water. I will slice tofu. I will not slice that thin because it might be break. So this is about half centimeter. You can fry them if you want to, but I'm not going to do. Okay, now it's the time to put the topping on. This is done. This is a silken tofu, so it's very soft, so it might be easy to break. So
yeah,
be careful. And this is an onion with a little bit of what's that? Chili powder, so it might be slightly spicy. And this is broccoli and beetroot, mushroom, kimchi, fried kimchi. Yeah. That's it. And here is this is a seaweed.
That goes with seaweed, yeah.
But you better cut in half and we can share and then try what's the taste like. So I will cut this because of the foam tofu and that's the silken tofu.
That's fine. I think it goes very well together, that. That tofu is very soft.
Yeah.
Tofu breaks very easily, doesn't it?
We haven't tried this one. With the foam tofu.
I prefer that one.
So try kimchi one now.
The onion kimchi.
Yeah. Most of Koreans' favorite tofu kimchi.
Oh, onion, it's very nice.
I think the tofu and the kimchi, they are fantastic combination.
This is mushroom, huh?
Yeah. It's like a bulgogi.
Very good. It is like bulgogi, isn't it?
Yum.
It's slightly different flavours as well, those. The tofu, the texture is different, but the flavour's a little different. Soft one seems creamier.
Yeah, I think all the toppings are very good.
Yeah, they all work very well with it.
He has a fish allergy, so he can't eat this seaweed.
That's definitely 5-star tofu, that. Just try a bit of that with the firmer tofu. I think initially I preferred the firmer tofu, but as time has gone on, I've come to prefer the other one.
They have a different texture.
Different texture and slightly different flavours. I think the softer tofu blends more with the flavours. And with having that creaminess, it enhances it, kind of thing.
Yeah.
Very nice.
This firm one has a slightly stronger flavor than the second one. Or?
Yeah, I think so. Well, I don't know if it's necessarily stronger, it's just different, and it is separated from the other flavours. Whereas the creaminess of the soft one seems to blend with the flavours. It's really nice.
Which topping is your favourite then?
I think I like them all. Well done.
Great. I'm glad you like it.
But as you know, traditionally I'm not that keen on tofu either. Find it a bit bland, but that wasn't it. Very nice. Those toppings really work with it.
Thank you very much. Yeah. So tofu has a lot of proteins, and with the different toppings it brings out the flavors. So please enjoy your tofu in this kind of way, so you can use your favorite toppings. Okay? Hope you enjoy my recipe. Thanks for watching. Be healthy and happy. See you next time. Bye!
What's in there? Couscous. Is it?